How to recover deleted Google account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your web browser. If it's not been more than 30 days after you deleted your account, you can still recover it. To recover your account, simply tap on Google Sign In. Now tap on search bar and type Google Sign In. Now click on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Sign In. Now tap on Add another account. Now wait for some time for the screen to load. Now enter your email address. Now tap on next. Now enter your password and click on next to recover your account. If it's more than 30 days for your account deletion, then you won't be able to recover it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.